reaction, right?
Okay.
So you're just receiving that feedback from the other person, right? And then you can sort of employ those cues, whatever you got in that entire process or transaction of you changing yourself, right? But not in turn sort of try to change the perspective of the other person, because that is something really subjective which would change very naturally or organically, right? So what you should not worry about is your inability to change somebody else's mindset.
Huh.
But you certainly can
But
take those
but
nuances from other person's perspective that could be helpful for you.
see,
क्योंकि निंदक
I just
मेरे
wanted
राखी
to
है.
ask you a question.
There's one person. Let me finish by one though. It's
Okay.
निंदक नेरे राखिए आंगनी कुटिया बंधाए बिन साबुन बिन पानी बिना निर्मल करे सुखाए. That translates into कि निंदक means the one who criticizes. You should always be closer to that person. For that person cleanses you without even a soap, without even water, cleanses you entirely.
Okay.
Like in every aspect. So always be near to your critics and stay away from friends who just praise you or appreciate you or flatter about you. Certainly, those are the most pernicious creatures available out there in the planet for you to hang out with or to just spend your time with. Now,
no, I just wanted to ask you that, should we care about our inability to change ourselves?
See,
rather than, you told, we shouldn't care about,
so the thing is that in this process of
let me complete my question.
Yeah.
Okay, we should not care about our inability to change the other person.
Yeah.
But, we should care about our inability to change ourselves.
Yeah, certainly.
Isn't it?
Yeah, if we just start from the very rudimentary stuff, then just think about what is the actual need of changing yourself. Again, is it stemming out of somebody else's comment on you, or is it stemming out of your own sort of self introspection that you went through, or is it like or any other?
Is it like a societal construct?
Yeah. First just try to identify the actual cause of it and just try to verify the rationality of that cause, whether you should even think about it, even further work on it or not. And then certainly you have you must have the understanding of what are the aspects or attributes that you can change and what are the stuff that you cannot change. So I feel ki some things like which are so sort of static, they cannot be changed. But other stuff, like if I talk about our own body, the one thing that you can change is like to become fit, you can just exercise, but you cannot increase your height. So it goes same with other aspects of life as well. Right? You can certainly build on your intellectual capabilities. You can certainly build on your sort of the way you deal with people, the way you deal with situations, or pragmatic sort of this framework of dealing with problems. And you can certainly build knowledge, you can build communication skills, you can build soft skills and all. So I feel ki practically I don't think there's anything that you cannot change other than whatever your physical appearance is. There's everything you can change, provided that you don't go onto that sort of a spree to sort of hating yourself and just doing everything and trying to do everything. Just graduate in the process and have patience and just be gratified with the small moments that you get along this journey. See, it's really hard to make this thing just get into somebody's mind who has recently gone through any sort of this catastrophe, because certainly all these words seem so futile for them. For the thing that what journey, this is so painful, this is pain that I'm going through, and you want me to just get up and do stuff. It isn't easy, I get it. Right? It isn't easy. But it's only when you get out of the storm that your vision becomes clear, and you're able to sort of see the things that you, because in the storm, what the only things that you were worried about, when you get out of it, you get sense of the larger world that is around you. Right? So it's only when you get that vision that you just get rid of the blurry clouds in front of your eyes, and you just perceive the reality, and then work on yourself. Right? So
okay,
it's really easy.
Let's wind up today's session.
Don't make it complex. Advice is don't make it complex. Always have a smile on your face. Wake up. thank the Almighty or any power or any destiny or nature that you believe in. Help others, take help from others, love other people, get love, receive love from other people, and just try to contribute to the society and just sleep.
Thank you for the philosophical insights, Divyansh.
Nandri, Nandri.